Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got for you a look. Sit back, relax and enjoy. So I'm going to start with my base. I'm going to use my Too Faced Born This Way foundation in Spiced Rum. Put 2 pumps of my Born This Way foundation on my palette, and I'm going to go with my brush. So there you go, and spread that across the palette just so there's enough product distributed on the brush and you're just not pasting on your face. So I don't rub or smear, I just dab or pat, whichever word you want to use, just to make sure we're getting this product around the face evenly. Okay, switching hands because my right hand's hurting. I think with this process I really like to blend and blend and blend because you really don't want to see anything, right? You don't want to see any darkifications, and this is really important because I don't put any foundation on my forehead. I just started doing that also. Of course, there's a lot of new developments, isn't there? So the reason why I don't put foundation on my forehead is because I sweat a lot, and when there's a lot going on in my forehead, my skin can't breathe, so it kind of like forces itself to sweat. So yeah, I don't know the science behind that, but that's what I have noticed once I start putting foundation on there. That's done now. And then concealer. So concealer as usual. So I'm gonna start with e.l.f. I haven't used beauty blenders in such a long time, and that's intentional just because I started using brushes again. So whenever I blend any areas, whenever I blend the concealed areas, I just use that. I get a brush, blend, 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 blend. Again, forehead right here. I'm gonna take it down. Not forehead, bridge of the nose. Bridge of the nose. I'm gonna take it down. Literally follow the line you created with that concealer on the bridge of your nose, because you don't want to spread it any wider. You just want to make it fade a little bit. Now we're gonna blend the under eye. So the way I blend my under eye, or to the extent in which the concealer is brought down or up to the side, is highly dependent on your facial structure. So I'm quite round in the face. In order to make my face less round, I would take this further down to create more of an angled structured look. If I was to take it and just leave it where it is, it's gonna shrink my face and I'm gonna look like a fist. We don't want that, okay? We're trying to emphasize / enhance our look and emphasize areas that we want, we like. So hey, we're gonna do that. So if you've noticed, I usually start at the edges. So if I put the concealer here, I'm not gonna go straight in the middle. I'm gonna start at the edge of where that concealer stops and then blend that out before going in. Keep blending, keep blending. Cool, so now the next bit is to put the e.l.f. concealer, and this is a tad bit lighter in deep caramel. I'm focusing it on where I have shadows. I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit because I want it to get tacky. And then the next bit is to do contour. So I'm gonna just, again, working from my palette, just literally press that down against the palette and then get the product. I'm going to use my matte poreless foundation just because it's got a little bit more ring to play with in terms of texture. It's more like a liquid. So we're then gonna do areas we want to. I mix the concealer with the foundation so I can apply that to my forehead. So I'm doing a tap sweep motion, tap sweep, tap sweep, tap sweep, and then rather than going low, because I've got a round face again like I said, I'm gonna go a little bit high, so just where my cheekbone is about to start, right there. And then I'm gonna work it right here, and you can see it's a little, and I like that, okay, because we don't want a harsh we want little, so we're gonna blend. Again, that tapping motion. Start right here and work your way down. Well, we're gonna do the nose using this brush. So same thing. Again, remember, I don't want my nose to have a really dark shadow. So we're literally taking what is left on here and putting it on the brush. Remember, a little goes a long way. I'm gonna start here, so it rounds off my nose, right at the tip, round it off, and then start from the side, work your way up, and tap, sweep. Same thing on the other side. Work your way up. So the distance between contour and where the highlight is already is up to you. And now I'm just going to blend out the concealer. Okay. And just blend that side. So it's all with the contour you just did. We're going over it slightly. Remember, it's tacky now. There's not much going on the brush, and you can just see how seamless that is. Now we are going to set. So I'm using the dark mineralized Skinfinish by MAC, and I'm going to take my lovely Raw Techniques brush, and I believe this is the setting brush. And we're going to just pat that into the area in which we have just concealed. So what I like to do is just go over my eyebrows with my pressed powder. One, it takes away the shine. Two, my hair color is brown, so I'm just trying to make it as close to my hair color as possible. We're then going to go in and set it properly with our setting powder. I am using the Beauty Bakerie setting powder. This is the Beauty Better Not Better. So just tap the excess away, and then set. So now what we're going to do is go over that with our Fenty setting powder. So this is the POREfessional Honey Loose Powder. I'm just going to not press it in, just place it right here. So this acts as one, a highlighter, and two, as a shield to catch anything, any fallouts that I might have when I'm putting in my eyeshadow. Again, you're placing it on to catch any mishaps, any mistakes, any fallouts, and also to highlight certain areas that you want highlighted. So, in order to really achieve your winged eye, all you really need is a simple base on your eyes. You want to use something that's close to your skin tone, hence me applying the setting powder right there. So I'm just going to really set that again with my MSF Mineralized Skinfinish, pop that right on my lid. Same thing here, right on the lid, really not much. So I'm using my Miimii Sun Stalker, okay, by Fenty Beauty. So brush right here. I'm gonna post my all face Fenty video in about 2 weeks, so keep an eye out. So we're just going right here. So where we put the contour shade, and then I'm going to take a darker powder, Warm Chestnut Bobby Brown, and I'm going to go over that. We're going to do the winged eyeliner, which can be really tricky. Okay, so I'm Can you see what I'm seeing? Because I can see what you see. Can you see what I... Okay, cool. Can you see what I see? So this is the Fenty Beauty Flyliner, because I'm black. There we go, right here. We're gonna start at the end. So we're gonna go, we wanna balance where our powder is, okay? So we can balance right here with our pinky and start right here. Look out. We're gonna go from the inner, like to work thin. Okay. And then right from the middle here, right here, you wanna connect. And then fill out what's left. And if you feel like you missed anything, you can always go back. So we've done our wing down liner. Now I'm gonna go put my lashes on and I'll be right back. Okay, so we are done with that. Put on our lashes and y'all thinking already. No worries, tell me after. So we are going to now do our bottom lash. Now for my lips, I am using the MAC Ruby Woo. I haven't done my bronzer, I haven't done my blusher, I haven't done my highlighter. So those are all the things I need to do now. Some bronzer. To the side where you put the contour, just going over that. But I'm gonna use MAC Oh Darling. It's like a champagne gold, so pretty. Don't need that much, but anywho, right here. Using a smaller brush from a nice precise application. So just to bring the light back into my face after all of that foundation and powder and setting, we are going to then use a refreshing spray. So I'm using the Fenty Beauty Baby What to Do, baby size, standard size is What to Do, refreshing makeup spray. Smells so divine. So here we are, final look. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Ruby Woo is the classic red for every and anyone. So yeah, that's my final look. This is my Valentine's Day look 1. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Yeah, let me know what you guys would like to see. My next video should be out in a week or so. So yeah, I want to try to do bi-weekly. or weekly, depending on how I feel. But yeah, keep an eye out every Friday on the Miimii's world. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.